Imagine waking up to the sound of the earth shaking beneath your feet. Buildings crumble, roads split apart, and chaos ensues. It's a scene that no one ever wants to experience, but for many, it's a reality. Devastating earthquake strikes and you're left feeling hopeless. But what if I told you, there's a way to find inspiration in the aftermath of such tragedy? In this video, we will take a journey together and explore the steps to find hope and inspiration in the aftermath of a devastating earthquake. Step 1. Acknowledge your feelings. Just like before, it's okay to feel sad, scared, or overwhelmed. Allow yourself to process these emotions and don't suppress them. Step 2. Create a new routine. After a traumatic event, it can be helpful to establish a new routine and structure for your day. This can bring a sense of normalcy back into your life. Step 3. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out positive and uplifting people, books, and media that can help lift your mood. Step 4. Focus on your goals. Set new goals for yourself, no matter how small they may seem. Accomplishing these can give you a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Step 5. Help others. Volunteering and helping others in need can bring you a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Seeing the impact you are making in someone else's life can bring positivity to your own. Step 6. Find joy in small things. Take the time to appreciate the small things in life, like a beautiful sunset, a good meal, or a good book. These little moments of joy can provide a much-needed break from stress and negativity. In the face of tragedy, it can be difficult to find inspiration and hope. But by taking these small steps, you can start to see the light at the end of the tunnel. So hold on to that glimmer of hope and let's work together to rebuild. And find inspiration in the aftermath of a devastating earthquake. Take care and stay strong.